Dear students, we try this problem in triangle ABC. If R1 equal to 8, R2 equal to 12, R3 equal to 24, find ABC. Find ABC. Which means just reverse of the above problem, the previous problem. They gave ABC, we are supposed to find R1, R2, R3. In this problem, they have given R1, R2, R3, we need to find ABC. Right. Given R1 equal to 8, R2 is 12, R3 is 24. A formula. To get A, we have a formula R1 into R2 plus R3 by root over R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1. We can easily remember this formula. 1 stands for A, 2 for B, 3 for C. While calculating A, R1 is outside, remaining R2 and R3 are inside. We can easily remember the formula. A, 1 stands for A, 2 stands for B, 3 stands for C alphabetically. So, when you are calculating A, R1 must be written outside. In the remaining R2 and R3 are to be written inside the bracket using plus by root over R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1. While writing a B formula, B stands for 2, so R2 is outside and remaining 2, R1 and R3 are inside. So, denominator will be the same for A, B, C. Hence, I am replacing the values. A equal to R1, R1 is 8, into R2 plus R3, that is 12 plus 24 by root over R1, R2, 8 into 12 plus R2, R3, 12 into 24 plus R3, R1, 8 into 24. Simplification. A equal to 8 into 36 by adding root over 8 into 12 is 96. 12 into 24 by multiplying I got 288. So 288 plus 8 into 24 by multiplication 8 into 24 I got 192. Next you have to add all the 3 in the denominator. So by adding the numbers I got 576. I have shown the simplifications here. So 8 into 36 by root 576. 576. By adding all these 3 I got 576. And we know the value of root 576. Root 576 is 24. 24. So A equal to 8 into 36 by 24. Here you should remember the square roots of numbers till 30. Or else you can do prime factorization here 576 as we have done in the previous problem for delta. You can do prime factorization. So 576 you can do prime factorization like this. 2 times 1, 17. 17 means 8 times again 1, 16, so 288, again 2 table, 144, again 2 table, 72, again 2 table, 36, again 2 table, 18, so 3 table, 6 times, again for 6, 3 table 2 times. So this is prime factorization. If you didn't remember root 576 as a 24, then how to do? Just to go on with the prime factorization. So 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 power 6 into 3 how many times? 2 times, so 3 square. You are having root. So you have to write a half number of times. 2 is 6 times, so you have to write 3 times. 3 is for 2 times, you have to write 1 time. 2 cube, 8 into 3, 24. If you remember root 576 as 24, you cannot do all this mess here. So, suppose if you forgot or if you don't know, then how to find the square root of 576 means you have to do prime factorization so that you can get the value of root 576. Here by cancellation 8 table 1 time, 8 table 3 times, 3 table 12 times. So I got a value as 12, a equal to 12. In a similar fashion, we try to find b. So b equal to, as I said, b stands for the alphabetical order 2. R2 is outside, the remaining R1 and R3 are inside the bracket with plus. So R2 into R1 plus R3 by denominator is the same for both all the three A, B, C. So root over R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1. R2 12 into R1 plus R3 8 plus 24 by the denominator, which is same as of A. So root 576. This all inside calculation is 576. Root 576 as in the previous calculation 24. Just above we found A. There we calculated root 576, that is 24. 12 table 1 time, 12 table 2 times, 2 table 16 times. So b equal to 16. C equal to, alphabetically C is 3, so R3 outside, rest of R1 and R2 are inside, R1 plus R2 by the same denominator for A, B, C, root over R1, R2 plus R2, R3 plus R3, R1. Substitute the values. R3 is 24, R1 is 8 plus 12 by root 576. Simplification is 24 into 20, 24 into 20 by 24. 24 simply gets cancelled. C equal to 20. So, we have calculated A, B, C values. Here in the problem it is given x radii R1, R2, R3 and asked to find the sides of triangle A, B, C, which we have completed just now. Problem is over.